Batteries are everywhere in our modern lives, powering everything from tiny hearing aids to massive electric vehicles. But have you ever wondered how battery technology has evolved over time? In this video, we'll take a fascinating journey through the history of batteries, exploring the key milestones, breakthroughs, and innovations that have shaped the way we store and use energy. From the earliest experiments with static electricity to the cutting-edge batteries of today, let's discover how these essential devices have transformed our world and what the future might hold. Our story begins in the late 18th century with the invention of the first true battery by Alessandro Volta. Known as the voltaic pile, this device stacked alternating layers of zinc and copper, separated by cardboard soaked in salt water. It was the first time humans could generate a steady flow of electricity, opening up new possibilities for science and technology. Volta's invention laid the foundation for all future battery development, and his name lives on in the unit of electric potential, the volt. After Volta's breakthrough, scientists and inventors quickly found ways to use batteries for practical purposes. Early batteries powered telegraphs, enabling long-distance communication for the first time. They also played a key role in scientific experiments and medical devices. These early applications demonstrated the immense potential of stored electrical energy, setting the stage for further innovation in battery technology. 1836, John Frederick Daniell developed the Daniell cell, a major improvement over the voltaic pile. This battery used copper and zinc electrodes in separate solutions, which made it more reliable and longer-lasting. The Daniell cell became the standard power source for telegraph networks and other early electrical systems, marking a significant step forward in battery technology. Next big leap came in 1859, when Gaston Planté invented the lead-acid battery. This was the first rechargeable battery, which could be used, recharged, and used again. Lead-acid batteries became essential for early automobiles and remain widely used today in cars and backup power systems. Their ability to deliver high currents made them ideal for starting engines and supporting heavy electrical loads. The late 19th century, the invention of the dry cell battery changed everything. Unlike earlier batteries, dry cells used a paste instead of liquid electrolytes, making them safer and more portable. This innovation enabled the development of flashlights, portable radios, and many other battery-powered devices. Dry cells became the standard for consumer electronics, bringing battery power into homes around the world. Early 20th century saw the rise of nickel-cadmium (NiCd) batteries. These rechargeable batteries offered better performance and longer life than previous types. NiCd batteries became popular in portable tools, cameras, and early cordless phones. Their ability to be recharged hundreds of times made them a favorite for many applications, despite concerns about cadmium's environmental impact. 1959, Louis Uri developed the alkaline battery, which quickly became the most popular type for household use. Alkaline batteries offered higher energy density and longer shelf life than earlier dry cells. They powered everything from toys to remote controls, becoming a staple in homes and offices worldwide. Even today, alkaline batteries are widely used for their reliability and convenience. Nickel metal hydride (NiMH) batteries emerged in the 1980s as a safer and more environmentally friendly alternative to NiCd batteries. NiMH batteries offered higher capacity and were less toxic, making them ideal for portable electronics and early hybrid vehicles. Their success paved the way for even more advanced rechargeable battery technologies. Introduction of lithium-ion batteries in the 1990s marked a turning point in battery technology. These batteries offered much higher energy density, lighter weight, and longer life than previous types. Lithium-ion batteries quickly became the standard for smartphones, laptops, and eventually electric vehicles. Their impact on portable electronics and clean transportation cannot be overstated. Understand battery evolution. It's important to know how batteries work. At their core, batteries store chemical energy and convert it into electrical energy through electrochemical reactions. They consist of two electrodes, an anode and a cathode, separated by an electrolyte. When connected to a device, electrons flow from the anode to the cathode, powering the device. This basic principle remains the same across all battery types. Different batteries use different chemical reactions to store and release energy. For example, lead-acid batteries use lead and sulfuric acid, while lithium-ion batteries use lithium compounds. The choice of materials affects the battery's voltage, capacity, lifespan, and safety. Advances in chemistry have allowed engineers to design batteries for specific applications, from tiny hearing aids to massive grid storage systems. As consumer electronics became more popular, the demand for compact, lightweight, and long-lasting batteries soared. Innovations in battery design allowed for the miniaturization of devices like mobile phones, laptops, and cameras. Today, we take for granted the ability to carry powerful computers in our pockets, all thanks to advances in battery technology. Batteries have played a crucial role in the evolution of transportation. From powering the first electric cars in the 19th century to today's high-performance electric vehicles, battery technology has enabled cleaner, quieter, and more efficient mobility. Advances in battery capacity and charging speed are making electric vehicles more practical and accessible than ever before. Beyond personal devices and vehicles, batteries are now being used to store energy on a massive scale. Grid-scale battery storage helps balance supply and demand, store renewable energy, and improve the reliability of power grids. Technologies like lithium-ion and flow batteries are making it possible to store solar and wind energy for use when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. As batteries have become more powerful, safety has become a top priority. Engineers have developed advanced safety features, such as thermal management systems, protective circuits, and safer electrolytes. These innovations help prevent overheating, fires, and other hazards, ensuring that batteries can be used safely in everything from smartphones to electric cars. Environmental impact of batteries is a growing concern. Mining for battery materials, manufacturing processes, and disposal all have ecological consequences. Efforts are underway to develop greener battery technologies, improve recycling rates, and reduce the use of toxic materials. Sustainable battery innovation is essential for a cleaner, healthier planet. Recycling old batteries is crucial to reducing environmental harm and recovering valuable materials. Modern recycling processes can extract metals like lithium, cobalt, and nickel for reuse in new batteries. Governments and companies are investing in better collection and recycling systems to keep batteries out of landfills and support a circular economy. One of the most promising advances in battery technology is the development of solid-state batteries. These batteries use a solid electrolyte instead of a liquid one, offering higher energy density, faster charging, and improved safety. Solid-state batteries could revolutionize electric vehicles and portable electronics, making them lighter, more powerful, and longer-lasting. Flow batteries are another exciting innovation, especially for large-scale energy storage. These batteries store energy in liquid electrolytes that flow through a cell. They can be easily scaled up for grid applications and have a long cycle life, making them ideal for storing renewable energy from solar and wind farms. Modern batteries rely on sophisticated battery management systems, BMS, to monitor and control their performance. A BMS ensures that each cell operates within safe limits, balances charging and discharging, and protects against overcharging or overheating. These systems are essential for maximizing battery life and safety in everything from smartphones to electric vehicles. Wireless charging is becoming increasingly common for smartphones, wearables, and even electric vehicles. This technology uses electromagnetic fields to transfer energy without physical connectors. Wireless charging offers greater convenience and could lead to new ways of powering devices in the future, reducing the need for cables and plugs. The rise of wearable technology has driven innovation in flexible and lightweight batteries. Engineers are developing batteries that can bend, stretch, and fit into tiny spaces, powering smartwatches, fitness trackers, and medical devices. These advances are opening up new possibilities for health monitoring and personal technology. Researchers are constantly exploring new materials and designs to improve battery performance. From silicon anodes to lithium sulfur and sodium-ion batteries, the search for higher capacity, faster charging, and lower cost continues. Breakthroughs in battery research could unlock new applications and transform industries in the years ahead. Batteries are essential for integrating renewable energy sources like solar and wind into the power grid. By storing excess energy when production is high and releasing it when demand rises, batteries help stabilize the grid and support the transition to cleaner energy. This role will only grow as the world moves toward more sustainable power solutions. Despite incredible progress, battery technology still faces challenges. Issues like limited raw material supply, safety concerns, and the need for faster charging and longer life remain. Addressing these challenges will require continued research, investment, and collaboration across industries and governments. Looking ahead, the future of battery technology is full of promise. Researchers are working on ultra-fast charging, longer-lasting batteries, and new chemistries that could change the way we power our world. As electric vehicles, renewable energy, and portable devices become even more important, battery innovation will continue to drive progress. Today, batteries are an invisible but essential part of daily life. They power our phones, laptops, cars, and even homes. As technology advances, batteries will become even more integrated into our routines, supporting everything from smart homes to wearable health monitors. Their evolution continues to shape the way we live, work, and connect. The evolution of battery technology has had a profound impact on society. It has enabled global communication, clean transportation, and the rise of portable electronics. Batteries are helping to address climate change by supporting renewable energy and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Their influence will only grow as new technologies emerge. From the earliest experiments with electricity to the advanced batteries of today, the evolution of battery technology has been a story of innovation and progress. As we look to the future, batteries will continue to play a vital role in powering our devices, vehicles, and cities. With ongoing research and new breakthroughs on the horizon, the next chapter in battery evolution promises to be even more exciting and transformative.